Hello, my lovely buddies. Hope you all are doing good. We will be making Ladi Pav in this video and without using yeast. Yes, you heard me right, without using yeast. And as you can see, they will still come out soft. So let's begin. We'll first take 2 cups of Maida all-purpose flour in a bowl. We will keep at least 2 tablespoons aside for dusting. In this, add half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, or if you want to make it more sweeter, then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now half a teaspoon of baking powder. We will well combine all the dry ingredients together. Further, we will go ahead and add half a cup of curd. Let's now well combine this curd in the flour so that the flour gets moist. At this point, we will add the main ingredient of this no yeast Ladi Pav, and that is 2 teaspoons of fruit salt Eno. Now adding water little at a time, we will need a very soft and sticky dough. The water needs not to be warm, it can be at room temperature. Now as we do while making the bread, we need to knead and stretch this dough for at least for about 5 minutes for the proper release of gluten. Now you can use dry flour if required. To make this dough, you will require about 1/4 to 3/4 cups of water. Now after kneading and stretching, the dough is not sticky anymore. We will add oil to it, about 2 tablespoons of oil, or you can even add butter to it instead of oil. To get a nice soft and moist Ladi Pav, we will nicely incorporate this oil in the dough. And then here straight away we will divide this into 6 equal portions. Roll them in 6 small balls for the pav. This is about 6 by 6 square baking dish. We will grease it so that our buns don't stick to it and adjust them accordingly to fit in all the dough balls. Now using a light hand, slightly tap them down. To get the golden crust, we will apply a mix of sugar and milk. This is 1 tablespoon of milk with 1 teaspoon sugar. And this will keep our dough balls moist while we keep them covered for about 15 minutes. Now in convection or OTG, bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes. And over gas stove in kadai or pressure cooker on medium heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. See, the outer crust is golden in color. After you take out the Ladi Pav from oven, you will find the outer surface a little bit hard, even if you bake it using yeast. So we will brush it with butter or oil generously and cover it up with a damp cloth till the buns cool down or come down to the room temperature. And doing this step will make them much more softer. And here the pav has come down to room temperature. Remove the cloth. It must have dried till now and they are ready to serve. We will demold it. You may find the texture of this Ladi Pav a bit different from that made using yeast. It is a bit denser compared to the Ladi Pav made using yeast, but still it is soft. You can cut and toast it. If you like the recipe, do try them out. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hitting the bell icon. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or TikTok. Till we meet again, enjoy the recipe of Ladi Pav and bye-bye.